Overnight, a plea deal in a very high-profile case out of Brunswick. I'm talking about the murder of Ahmaud Arbery.
We've learned federal prosecutors have come up with a plea deal for convicted Greg and Travis McMichael in the separate hate crimes trial. That was supposed to begin next week. Our Rebecca Schramm is joining us live this morning, and Rebecca, Arbery's family is furious about this plea deal. Why?
Well, Grevier and Trayson, I tell you, they wanted the killers to stand trial again, this time in federal court on the hate crimes charges. Well, now we've confirmed federal prosecutors have reached a deal allowing the killers of their son to plead guilty. Take a look. In a tweet, the attorney for Arbery's mother, Wanda Cooper Jones, said Gregory and Travis McMichael have signed plea deals with the DOJ to allow the men serving life without the possibility of parole in Georgia State Prison to transfer to preferred federal custody. He said this backroom deal represents a betrayal to the Arbery family, who is devastated. We've learned there's a hearing this morning in Brunswick. As I read over the court filing, it looks like this morning federal prosecutors will ask the judge to accept each plea, allowing the McMichaels to avoid a second trial on the hate crimes charges. Lee Merritt, Arbery's mother's attorney, says the parents have opposed any plea deals all along and says Arbery's mother will be with him in court today, asking the judge to reject the plea deals. The court filings do not mention anything about William Roddy Bryan. That's, of course, the neighbor of the McMichaels, who is convicted and sentenced to life with the possibility of parole. Today's hearing is scheduled for 10 o'clock this morning in Brunswick. We will, of course, listen in, and we'll have any new developments as they happen. Live in Atlanta, Rebecca Schramm, CBS 46 News.
Thanks so much, Rebecca.